Hello, my name is Vinson with Autobahn Volkswagen. And today's episode of Tips and Tricks, we're going to help you keep cool for the summer in your Volkswagen. Your most common way to keep cool is to have a sun visor. We've already installed this one. You can consult your authorized Volkswagen dealership. They should have one of these available in the parts department. It has a little Velcro right here. And it's super industrial thick. There you go. See that? And that's gonna help keep your dashboard and your seats cool and the interior also cooler. And you just strap it here, adjust the strap wherever you need it, and then you can slide that in the back seat or the front seat if you don't have any passengers. Okay? That's tip number one. And here's tip number two. This tip is only available for the Arteon and the Atlas. Inside of the instrument panel, where the AC is, you'll find two knobs that are round, one on the left, one on the right. In between those two knobs, you'll find a button that says rest. I'm gonna turn on the vehicle so you can see that. It's right here in between these two buttons, okay? Once you reach your destination, okay, what you're gonna do is turn off the car, open the door, hit the rest button. It'll illuminate an amber color yellow. Exit the vehicle. Go ahead and lock your vehicle, and a small electric fan will turn on the interior of your car. This small electric fan will stay on up to 30 minutes at a time in the summertime, keeping your cabin cool while you run your errands. In the wintertime, the cabin will also keep you warm, so while you're running your errands, you won't have to come back to a cold car. Tip number three, if you have a sunroof in your vehicle, you can actually vent the sunroof while you have your vehicle locked, okay? This will vent out the heat that's inside of your vehicle so it's not so hot when you return. So you go up here to the top, find your vent, and you're gonna twist, and that'll vent it for you, okay? So I'll show you that one more time. So all I'm doing is pushing up with my thumb here, up this way, and that's pivoting that handle. That's gonna pivot your glass there and vent your car while you have it locked. Here's another tip that you're gonna love. Tip number four is to vent your vehicle before you approach it. Now, you don't wanna get into the car, it's too hot. So what you do is you take your key fob, you'll hit unlock, and then real quick, hit unlock again and hold down the unlock button. All of your windows will now roll down. That'll vent out all that hot air for your vehicle so you can get in safely. Thank you for watching this episode of Tips and Tricks for the Summertime.